हेलो पीप्स, नमस्ते। वेलकम टू रॉयल ट्यूब।
और भारत के लिए फौजी।
I'm not Daniel, friends. Hope you told your family goodbye.
Most awaited game in India, Fauzi got released today on the eve of Republic Day. So let's download and play it. And it is available in Play Store. So let's open quickly and download it. So it is a 460 MB game and Fauzi stands for Fearless and United God. Here are few pictures of it. Since PUBG got banned, this game got most hype and most awaited game now in India. So let's see how it will be and check whether it reached our expectations or not. So installation has completed and let's play this. So it is asking an ID. Let's enter our ID as Royal Tube. So we have another two modes also, but it is showing coming soon.
15 जून दोपहर 2 बजे गलवान घाटी, हिमालय की ऊंचाइयों पर भारतीय सीमा का एक सुदूर वीरान इलाका।
कॉर्पोरल अहमद, बेस को खबर देते हैं कि फॉरवर्ड पोस्ट से झंडा नदारद है।
सर, देखिए वहाँ और भी हैं।
पर्वतों पर उस दिन फौजी कमांडोज अकेले नहीं थे। दुश्मन सैनिकों ने गिरते पत्थरों की आड़ लेकर फौजी यूनिट पर धावा बोल दिया।
कम इन बेस कैंप, स्क्वाड 3 का भारतीय क्षेत्र में घुसपैठियों से सामना हुआ। रिपीट, स्क्वाड 3 का दुश्मनों से सामना हुआ।
लेफ्टिनेंट सिंह की पेट्रोल 3 टीम को जिस आखिरी विरोधी का सामना करना पड़ा वो थे भूस्खलन से घिरे पत्थर और चट्टान। और फिर अंधेरा छा गया। 6 घंटे बाद जब लेफ्टिनेंट सिंह की आंख खुली तो उनका सर चकरा रहा था। पहाड़ से हुई पत्थरों की उस बौछार से खरोंचों और घावों के साथ उनके सर पर भी चोट आई थी।
अहमद, ढिल्लो, रवि।
फिर भी उनकी हालत उन दोनों फौजी भाइयों से बेहतर थी जो उनके पास बर्फ में शहीद हो चुके थे। कम से कम वो जिंदा तो थे।
भारतीय सेना बिना लड़े कभी हार नहीं मानती और फौजी कभी पीछे नहीं हटता। ये लड़ाई ऐसे खत्म नहीं होगी। मैं ऐसा होने ही नहीं दूंगा।
बहादुरी, भाईचारे और भारत के लिए फौजी।
Wow, it's an excellent intro. I have liked it very much. So game has started. Let's play now. As usual, we know controls. Just like any other game, we have normal controls only. We have a button for hitting and joystick type for moving around. Have another button for shield, I think, protecting ourselves. So we got our first enemy. Let's beat him. While moving, I'm not feeling comfortable. It is like bit buggy type. Don't know whether I'm feeling because I'm playing for first time or game is like that. Not as smooth as PUBG, but I think it will improve a lot going ahead. Yeah, here they wrote rest near the fire to regenerate your health. So I think this is the way to increase our health. Let's go and sit there. So in PUBG we'll be having all bandages and first aid kits. Here we need to rest near fire to increase our health. So this is also not bad, it's also good. So let's wait until our health gets full. And it is showing health recover. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, and graphics are okay, not that good, but we can't expect as of PUBG now, because PUBG also at starting stage it is also bad only, not that good. It got improved a lot with our ratings and reviews and feedback. I think if we give some time for this game also, it will also improve a lot, I believe. Here you can see some small bugs. Many bugs are there in this game, and it is not that smooth to play. Here also some other bug. I'm clicking all the screen, but it is not responding anything. Okay, just I will show some small intensive gameplay now, and let's end this video.
मैं अपने साथियों को निराश नहीं कर सकता।
That's it for him. You think you will last longer than your friends? Hope you told your family goodbye.
So that's all in this video, just a small gameplay of Fauji and few details about it. Hope you like this video, and it's just 450 MB game, and you can download this on any phone and play. So here is another bug, it is not going back also. There are many bugs to improve in this game, so I have closed this directly from recent apps. So that's all in this video. Hope you like this. Please subscribe to RoyalTube. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.